I could see the beauty and the potential because it's this lovely sort of Georgian-style box-like houses, and I came and had a squiz over the wall and I fell in love with it. And I had to convince my husband about coming to live out in Richmond. You know, he fell in love with it too. It took us 5 years to restore, but we did it slowly and sort of graciously. You know, we didn't just sort of pound in, and we felt how it was to be in. And we lived in a little cottage with all the 4 kids while we restored the main house.